Look at who I just ran into.
Man.
Fucking S3 crew.
Yo, we out here.
Yo, what's up? Mike and Tara here.
Looking at the new bike.
This thing is insane.
Impromptu test rides. Do
We've
it.
only been here for like 10 seconds. We amazed right now.
Yeah, wait. Let's turn it on.
See the shocks? Look how nice that looks.
You can tell that it's a Zooz bike.
That's right.
It has
Oh, look how nice that looks. Does that
Put
move?
it in. Let's put it in PA5. That way you get the full speed out of it.
Shit, bro.
Take it for a ride.
Hydraulic brakes. Does the regular Zooz have hydraulic?
Yes, these are 4-piston. The other ones are 2.
Go around the square, guys.
Do you mind if I?
Go ahead. Take
Wait,
take
what are
a.
the brakes?
Yeah.
They're regular. You know, they're non-motorcycle style.
Non-motorcycle.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Bike brakes, I like it.
I'm gonna put on my helmet. Safety first. Remember, guys, here at S3 Crew, we take safety seriously. That's what 2 of the S's are for. Serious safety.
The last one is psych.
Oh no. You all right? Everything good?
Okay, I'm good.
Oh my God. I was aiming for the bumps because it felt so good.
Yeah.
The weight is perfect. It's evenly distributed. The brakes are fantastic. Does it have regen? Do you know?
Look what the brakes are.
I'm not even sure, to be honest.
Zooz on the brakes.
It has a brake sensor, so there's a chance it has regen. I can't really tell, but it was very clean.
I know with the old one there was a way to turn it on and off within the display, but I haven't gone through the P&C settings yet.
Oh
What
man.
motor is that? Like how many watts?
Yeah,
is the
I think
motor?
How many
it's
watts?
is it 1500 or? I don't even know the specs. Yeah,
right
I'm
here.
like
1200. Yeah, 1200. The chain is really good. The pedal assist gets you up to 20, nice and smooth.
Yeah, I'm
Look
gonna call
those
Jesus.
tires.
You know Jesus wants one. Let me let yo, Jesus, look at the new one.
This is
What's
amazing.
up?
Really
those
fun.
tires are specially made. They came up with their own
Oh, nice.
design. 3.2. There's Kevlar. They haven't punctured them yet. They've been like actively trying to like.
This is what I like. I like this. I like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They come with another set too, like if you want more play,
It's
or if you're
funny.
lighter, you know.
Compared to mine, it's cute.
That's what
Right.
I say. I love how
Yeah,
that
I
looks.
love it. But the chrome is just everything.
Yeah, it's hard.
Yeah, it's hot.
Yeah.
They have a black chrome model too.
Ooh, black. Ooh.
It's
Those like
sharp
like,
looking.
Yeah.
I
It's
really-
like a gunmetal almost.
Yes, right.
It's a shame these tires are so great because we know that they're gonna have to make a yellow version. They have to.
Definitely.
Zooz, come on, guys.
Yeah, I was already thinking about maybe painting the fenders, getting the pedals, the grips. But I don't know. I think I like it stock. It's kind of hot.
This is a magnificent machine you got here. Bro. You ride it, man.
Your turn.
Is that awesome? Oh,
Yeah, I'll take a picture of that.
oh.
I was gonna
that's
say,
clean.
you imagine I could like cut out perfect size vinyl in yellow, put it there.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you know how though?
You know what I did with my old one?
Take a picture of it and put something to
No,
scale
no,
next
no,
to
no.
it.
Yeah.
Just wrap it in vinyl and cut it out, and you got it in yellow.
What I did with my old one, they have the Zooz here, and then right here, I just used a little nail polish, and I was just real careful with it. You know, taped it off nice, but and then I can always take it off.
Yeah, I just did the square. It's a very nice ride.
Enjoy. He's like, F helmets. Here comes Tara.
Man, bro. I was having so much fun, I thought I got lost. I couldn't find this spot. I kept going. I was like, oh wait, it's still another one? Man, nah, but this game is nice. It's super responsive though.
Yeah, it's nice, right?
Yeah, when you pedal it, it gets going. Shit, and I was doing what Mike said, hitting a bump on purpose. Yeah,
Yeah.
you barely feel it. That thing is smooth.
They did a great job with it.
Yeah,
They did a great job with it.
I like how the seat was long because at first I felt like I needed to go a little further back, at least for me, because I got a long seat. So
Yeah.
I was either in the back or really in the front. But the way I feel comfortable further back.
Right. Yeah. Same
I was
with me.
able to whoop.
Like a little motorcycle
I
style.
still got seat.
Have you ever tried the original Zooz?
Yes.
And so it's the same seat, but with the suspension, it's like,
Oh, way different.
It's way more comfortable.
different.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. When I kept going back, I'm like, oh, still got more seats.
Yeah.
Let me go back. I'm still comfortable. Yeah, same type of comfortability, but the shocks definitely did a lot.
Yeah, definitely. Nice, dude. I'm glad you like it.
Yeah. Man, I think it's beautiful.